First coming in, this foyer here is kind of like a runway, but with a good natural light that comes in from the great room, it definitely helps kind of even that out. Bedroom 2 and 3 are very similar. They share this bath too. The one key difference to kind of take note of is that bedroom 2 loses closet space to this unneeded Florida coat closet that they have going on right here. Kind of an odd setup, but it is what it is. Bath 2 becomes really the only bath for any and all guests. This bed for study room had a little natural light coming in. I will say it did feel a little on the narrow side. It kind of had the shotgun feel to it. So depending on if you are making a bedroom, be mindful of where the bed would have to go and the size of it. Got the HVAC system inside, definitely a plus. Isn't something you see too much. The laundry right off the kitchen. Now I will say with the kitchen as a whole, you were limited on the cabinets and countertop space. The kitchen island wasn't bad, but if you like to cook and spread your wings and get all spread out, just take note of that. Great room here, which you got to think about it. Probably your dining, table and living room stuff all set up like that. So it was a good size. Got good natural light coming in, but just be mindful. It's shared. Also, to note that the patio back here was not covered. Alright, you got bed 1, aka the master. One thing to be mindful of was room size, and then the location of the windows in comparison to the outlets and whatnot. So if you get more serious about this plan, kind of start paying attention to those little fine details. Now, at first, this walk-in closet felt pretty nice. Just this kind of area over here, you would have to be you'd have to dial in exactly what you're going to be putting in over here, just because how the door swings in and everything like that. But you kind of see how they have it situated more on this wall, so just FYI, it might be a little deceiving. One thing to really take note of, there's a tub, but that's all that's in here.